Hey, hi! Welcome back to New Look. Some people face with a oily skin that is very difficult to maintain and it needs extra care and attention to maintain that oily skin regularly, so that the people use different types of powders and creams to remove all this oiliness from the skin, but that won't be correct. Your skin will subjected to that chemical harshness and your skin will become damaged. Today in this video I am going to show how to prepare a DIY mask to remove all the excess oil from your skin. So let's get started. DIY mask. I'm using some gram flour, which is also called as basin powder, tomato, lemon and some honey. By using all these 4 ingredients, gram flour, tomato, honey and lemon, now I'm going to prepare a mask which is used to remove the excess oil from the skin. Firstly, the gram flour possesses natural alkalizing properties that help to maintain the natural pH value of the skin, which in turn controls the oil secretion by the sebaceous glands. Gram flour is a powerful natural absorbent that soaks away excess oil and sebum from the skin pores and helps to unclog the pores. This gram flour also acts as a cleanser that removes accumulated oil, dirt, impurities and dead skin cells from the skin. So this gram flour can be alone used or in combination with other natural ingredients like I have said earlier, honey, lemon, tomato. And now I'm going to show how to prepare this face mask. Firstly, take a bowl. In that, add 1 tablespoon of this gram flour powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, half of the lemon, cut into 2 pieces like this, remove all the seeds, squeeze out the juice. After removing the seeds, just squeeze the juice. Also cut this tomato into 2 parts and squeeze half of the tomato. Now squeeze the juice from this tomato. This honey is a natural absorbent that soaks up the excessive oil and sebum from the skin surface. Its humectant properties help to retain the moisture in the skin and prevent the sebaceous glands from becoming overactive. And the lemon has acidic nature and the acidic nature of this lemon restores the pH balance of the skin to its natural level. This helps to reduce the sebum production by the sebaceous glands. Citric acid present in this lemon works as an astringent that shrinks the size of the enlarged pores. Also, these tomatoes have the acidic nature to restore the pH value of the skin to its natural level, which helps to control the sebum production by the sebaceous glands. Salicylic acid found in these tomatoes acts as a natural exfoliant that eliminates the dead skin cells, excess oil and dirt from the skin. So these 3 are very important combination for using this basin powder face mask. Also, if you want to use any curd also you can use, because the mineral zinc present in the curd works as a mild astringent that closes the enlarged pores and reduces the sebum production. Lactic acid and alpha hydroxy acid present in the curd opens up the clogged pores and also removes the excess oil, dirt and dead skins from the skin. So if you want, you can also add this curd. As of now, I am not using. So now mix well. mixing this paste with the use. After mixing this paste with the help of the brush, take some amount in the brush and apply on your face. Concentrate on those areas of nose, upper lip because there is excessive oil. If it is any dry skin also, you will observe some oiliness on your nose and upper lip. After applying this mask, allow it to get dry, and after getting dry, just sprinkle some water like this, and by massaging, remove all this fack from your face. Cleaning your face, just apply some rose water and dab well if you have at your home. This is very effective remedy which helps to reduce all the oiliness from your skin. No need to go to parlors or no need to use any harsh chemical products like creams and powders. This is very effective. You just try at your home. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to NewLook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.